Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a review of WeDo 2.0. So this is my most favorite app because it gets connect with the Lego WeDo kit. So let's just tap it. So I don't want to do the introduction, but I'll just tap the cross at the app. So now over here you can see lots of projects that I have made by myself without my mom. My mom introduced me to this app Lego WeDo 2.0. So over here let's step to teacher resources first. So over here we have classroom tips and tricks. Then next is teacher guides. Then it's lesson plans, and then there is support. So now every tab gets started. So I guess I'll show only one of them to you. I guess I'll show you classroom tips and tricks. Again I'll tap the cross. Okay, so I'm done with teacher resources. So in teacher resources, these are the things which comes. Like it shows us these kinds of things. Now we have to tap home to go back to our home. Now over here to add a project, you can either tap this plus sign or you can either do your first project. Now let's go to classroom projects of WeDo. So over here I have low connectivity so that our pictures are not being able to see, but I can show you that how this works. So in the glowing snail we have this kind of part called Smart Hub. Oh, here it is. So we have this part of called Smart Hub. So it will change colors like blue, green, yellow, orange, like this. Then we have this cooling fan. In the cooling fan we can just have like, if we don't have like if we have a power cut, we can just switch on the cooling fan and connect it to our gadget where we have WeDo 2.0, and then we can just start having some cooled air. Next is this moving satellite. So in this we can move our satellite with a back tire. Then we have this Spyrobot. This Spyrobot can walk too. Now we have my favorite, Milo the science rover. So in Milo the science rover you can move your rover. Then we have Milo's motion sensor. This is something similar to Milo, but it's a little different. So in this we need our motion sensor and we can sense what Milo is finding. Then we have Milo's tilt sensor. In this we can tilt, make our Milo move, get turns and move. So now it's time for collaborating. In this we can pull our mini model with two Milos connected to each other. Now I will show you cooling fan and show you like the instructions. There are instructions in this. See, it is a hot day. Max and Mia's science lab is too warm. They want to build a fan to cool down the science lab. Max and Mia need your help. So now it's time to use Lego and start. Now you have to tap start building. So as you can see, there are the instructions like these, and then you have to connect your smart hub and start coding. First I'll show you an example like this. So that was the end, guys. Bye, and remember, like and subscribe, and just share the picture which you made of WeDo 2.0, guys.